So paano nga ba nag-work yung pet functions dito kay Sea Lemon Cross? Hey guys, this is PM and today pag-usapan natin kung paano nyo mamamaximize yung pet options dito kay Sea Lemon Cross. Anyway guys, if you are new to the channel, mag-subscribe ka na and hit mo na rin yung notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Sea Lemon Cross. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung pet function dito kay Sea Lemon Cross. Now guys, maraming nagtatanong sa videos natin katulad nito at nito, nagawa natin ng video yung pet function kasi maraming nako-confuse on how does it really work and also paano nyo ba mayu-utilize yung mga pets nyo dito sa game na to. So bago natin simulan yung about sa pet system, pag-usapan natin yung mga current events and also the brand new CLM code that you can use to get free summon tickets. Okay? So the first one is regarding the event. So yung event nila guys, meron sila ditong Rascal Rabbit Marble event. Now this one, all you just need to do is to get dices para makapag-roll kayo dito and win several prizes such as summon tickets, coupons that you can use for requests, potions, and even materials for crafting as well. So, ito yung pwede nyo makuha dito sa Rascal Rabbit Marble event. Now, to get the dices, okay, that you can use to roll in this marble event, then you just need to go to Dice Mission, and from here, you just need to finish all the quests para makuha nyo guys yung mga rewards na dices. So, daily, you have 5 dices to roll, and then from there, you will be able to somehow get the gold dice, okay? Once na matapos yan, makakuha kayo ng golden dice sa mail nyo that you can use to either double or maybe quadruple the rewards that you're getting based on the dice result. So, make sure na minamaximize ito kasi yung mga free-to-play players talagang mas maganda na makuha nyo yung mga resources na yan. So tara, balik na tayo ngayon sa video. So first thing is, we have to consider the categories that you can see on the screen right now. So meron diyang info, level up, evolve, scale, appraise, synthesize, and also release. Now, these categories have different functions. So, kailangan malaman nyo kung para saan yung mga yan. So, let's start with the info. So, the info, this is where you will see the pet that you owned. At the same time, the stats that they provide. Okay? So, on the left side, makikita nyo dito kung ilang taon na yung pet nyo. Okay? So, in my case, itong pet natin na Priest Pipia, okay, it's already 37 years old. And then, yung maximum age niya is gonna be 50. Which means na mali-level up ko lang siya up to level 50 lang. Okay? Then, max level na siya nun. Now, in terms of the stats, okay, yung additional stats, makikita nyo din dito. So, every time kasi na ina-upgrade nyo or nag-evolve yung pet nyo, tumataas din yung stats niyan. But anyway, pag-usapan natin yan later on. So, ito yung general stats na bigay or default stats kapag naka-equip yung inyong pet. And then, under that, the appraisal info. So, yung appraisal info naman, ito is kapag in-appraise nyo na yung pets nyo, ito yung mga additional stats na lalabas. Depende sa rarity. So, kung mapapansin nyo dyan later on, napakadami nating appraisal info stat na nandito sa gilid. Pero, mas makikita nyo yung difference once we switch to a different pet. Okay? Anyway, below that is the skill details, which is you can unlock using the items that you will also get either by synthesizing or releasing your pets. So, pag-uusapan natin yan later on. Now, below, as you can see at the bottom middle part, guys, makikita nyo dito yung number of pets that you can equip. So, ang available slots dito is 5 slots only. Pero I think kapag naka-premium kayo, 6 slots yung ma-unlock nyo dyan. Now, dito may hierarchy din yan. So, meron dyang mag-start from level, I think 11 yata yung first pet. 11, 21, 31, 41, and 51. Okay? So, tayo pa 51 pa lang. So, ma-unlock na natin yung pang-limang slot. Okay? Then, on the right side, kita nyo naman yung mga pets na nandito. Okay? Which is what I own right now. Now, punta tayo sa level up category. Now, this is where you improve the stats of your pet. Now, kung mapapansin nyo dito, meron tayong mga level 37 pa lang na pet or 43 years old na pet. Okay, so when we upgrade it, ma-upgrade din yung default stats na binibigay nila. So, let's say for example, itong 43-year-old na Z-Zap natin, no, in-upgrade natin siya. Okay, pag nag-44 years old yan, tataas yung combat power natin dito. And at the same time, matadagdagan tayo ng physical defense na +9. Okay, pag level up siya or naging 44 years old na siya. So same thing with other pets as well that you will be able to upgrade them. So ano yung ginagamit na pang-upgrade? So ang kailangan ditong level up material will be the food. So you can get the food in different ways or in many ways. So siguro in the next video guys, napakita ko naman sa inyo on how to get it and paano makakuha ng sobrang dami na ganyan para ma-upgrade yun. Ma-evolve nyo agad yung pets nyo. Okay? Now, the evolve button will actually ask you to select which pet would you like to evolve. Now, bago kayo makapag-evolve guys, especially yung mga epic or rare pataas, na pets, okay? You can only evolve up until you get the legendary ones, okay? So kapag legendary na yan, hindi nyo na may evolve yung pet nyo na yan. So, say for example, ito, no, wala nang obtainable pet. So, meaning max ano na siya, kumbaga max evolve na siya. So, kahit makakuha kayo dito ng, let's say for example, rare, okay, you can still have a chance to evolve it up until you reach the shiny pet, which is the legendary pets. Okay? So, technically, hindi kayo somehow lugi kahit na makakuha kayo ng mga pets na ganito. Though, mas mabilis lang magiging progress kasi ang gagawin na lang ng ibang players na nakakakuha ng legendary is just to upgrade and level up their pets. Yun naman yung advantage. Pero if you're not lucky and if you're a free-to-player like me, syempre, hahanap ka ng way para makakuha ka ng legendary. And that's the good thing about this, okay? Kasi dito, lahat merong chance na magkaroon ng legendary rarity na pet. Okay? So, dito kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung kailangan nating materials para ma-evolve yung rarity from heroic to legendary or epic to legendary. Now, kapag in-evolve nyo siya guys, meron siyang obtainable pets dito sa left side. So, ito yung listable obtainable pets. So, ito yung stats na binibigay niya. Okay, so this is gonna be a legendary one. Okay, pero may chances din na makakuha kayo ng mas maganda. Okay? So, ito kasi merong strike power kung warrior kayo or kung attack power kayo or strike power yung main nyo, mas maganda na ito yung makuha nyo. Pero kung kayo ay magic type, ito naman yung dapat na makuha nyo. Though, this has an option na 5% lang yung chance na pwede nyo makuha yan. So, huwag kayo masyadong umasa just in case. Pero may mga epic pets din na guaranteed yung makukuha nyo na maganda yung stats. Okay, katulad nito guys, no? Ito, ang evolve niya is 50-50. So, it's either ito yung makuha natin or either ito yung makuha natin. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, wala siya yung parang category na maliit lang yung percentage na makukuha nyo. So, basically, mas maganda din to kasi kung mapapansin nyo, yung pet na to, in terms of the skill, may advantage din kayo kapag naka-equip siya. So, later on, pag-usapan natin yung skill. But I hope you get the idea na before you will be able to level this up to legendary, kailangan level 40 muna yung epic pet nyo. Okay, same thing with rare, kailangan level 40 din siya. I think level 40 or level 30. Naka-indicate naman dito guys, kung ano yung maximum age. So, level 30 lang pala kapag rare. And then, kapag uncommon naman, guys, ma-upgrade nyo siya. Ang maximum level niya is level 20. So, kumbaga may hierarchy din siya. So, ang goal nyo dito is makakuha na ng epic para isang upgrade na lang. Though, ang mahirap dito is kuhanin itong si material. Okay? So, itong si Heart of a Large Pet. You can actually get this by crafting. Okay? So, pwede nyo siyang i-craft sa town. I'm not really sure kung ano yung name ng NPC, pero na-craft ko na to kahapon. I think malapit to kay Pandora in Corico. Okay, so bandang doon yung spot niya. I think Master Craftman nga ata yun eh. Pero somehow you will be able to craft your pet upgrade materials, okay, from there. Okay, so pakita ko na lang din yun sa video kasi kahapon nag-craft tayo dito ng isa. Okay, now you can also get this by doing events and also sa Shield Pass makakuha rin kayo nito. So a lot of ways to actually get it. Okay, now pag-usapan naman natin yung skill function. So dito guys, mapapansin nyo na meron tayong dalawang pet na pwede nating i-unlock yung skill. Now I think you will be able to only unlock the skill once you reach the legendary status. Okay? Kasi itong mga to cannot be enhanced yung nakalagay. So dapat legendary na yung pet nyo para ma-unlock nyo siya. Okay? So let's say for example, I want to enhance the skill of this one. Let's say ito, kasi additional segel siya. So pag i-enhance ko siya, ito yung required material. Okay? Which is part of a small pet. Now, ito naman, makukuha nyo rin to through dismantling ng yung legendary. Okay? But anyway, you can also get this by either synthesizing or releasing your pet. So, later on, papakita ko din yan sa inyo. Okay? Now, in terms of appraisal, okay, I think na-discuss ko na to with my previous video, but you can always appraise your pets, okay, para makakuha kayo ng additional stat. Now, dito, makikita nyo yung appraisal info. So, clinic natin. Okay? So, dito, makikita nyo sa pet guidelines nila kung ano yung mga pwede nyo makuha na stats. But basically, nandun yan sa previous video natin, guys, kung ano yung mga stats na available. Okay? So dito, pwede rin kayong mag-set kung ano yung appraised stat na gusto nyo. Let's say, mythic yung gusto nyo, or legendary. Tapos dito, ang gusto nyo is magic power. Okay? Tapos dito, ganun din, legendary. Tapos gusto nyo naman, percentage naman. Okay, so depende na sa inyo kung ano yung isa-set nyo. But anyway, you will use appraisal tickets to appraise your pet. Okay? Which is very, very expensive, especially kung free-to-play player ka. So, mas maganda na kapag nakakuha kayo ng appraise ticket is nagagamit or na-utilize nyo siya ng maayos. Okay? Now, punta naman tayo sa synthesize. Now, dito guys, pwede kayo mag-combine ng mga pets nyo. Pero ang required number of pets is gonna be 5 per rarity. So kunwari, tatlo lang yung ganito nyo guys, is hindi nyo siya ma-combine. So when you combine it, pwede kayong makakuha ng mga iba't ibang klase ng items as well. Pwede rin kayo dito guys makakuha ng Heart of a Small Pet. Okay, pwede rin kayo makakuha ng dito. Pero kapag successful yung synthesize nyo, minsan makakuha kayo ng pet na epic. Ang synthesize nyo is epic pets na 5. Okay? Or heroic pets na 5. So basically, ganun lang siya nagpo-function. So when you combine it, there's a possibility na makakuha kayo ng same rarity. Okay? Then in terms of release naman, so kapag nag-release kayo guys ng pet, basically, you're going to somehow get the food. So this is also one way of you getting food in this game. Okay? Now, if you don't use these pets anymore, then that's okay. Pero if you're going to evolve these pets in the future, then you must save some of them. So yan. So ito, ang gagawin lang natin ngayon is i-level up natin to kasi medyo behind siya sa level. So, click natin yung max level. Pag click nyo yung max level, guys, automatic lahat ng food na available, so long as hindi pa siya maximum yung level ng inyong pet, walang lalabas na error dyan. Kumbaga, mag-grow old lang yung inyong pet. Okay? Now that we've talked about pets, okay, it really gives you a huge amount of combat power on your character because kung mapapansin nyo guys, nung isang araw, ang combat power natin is between around 70 or 71k. Right now, we are at 82k combat power and we're just level 50. So basically, malaking tulong yan, and at the same time, it's best that you actually read the stats of the pet that you are getting as well. Especially this one, kasi may nakuha ko nung nakaraan, epic pet siya, pero ang nakalagay dito is strike power. So make sure guys na appropriate siya doon sa stats na mag-complement sa class na pinili nyo. Okay? So ganun siya kasimple. So though hindi nyo naman to mapipili guys, but technically if you do have the proper stat for your pets, somehow mas magiging maganda yung progress ng character nyo. So, hopefully guys, meron kayong natutunan dito sa video na to. I know medyo mahaba siya, pero this provides you all the things that you need to know about pets. Though this is in Tagalog-English format, pero hopefully may matutunan kayo dito and also maging maganda yung progress nyo dito sa game na to. So yun lang naman guys. Thank you so much again for watching. This is BM again, and alam nyo na guys, peace out.